Oh, sorry that I can't be there with you today. The plan for today, though, is for you to spend the majority of your time answering the ghost questions, chapters 4 through 10, which are accessible on Google Classroom. So everyone's classroom, no matter which period, has Ghost Questions chapter 4 through 10. You will open up your copy if you haven't yet done so, and you will start by answering the questions. Please see my other video that is also linked at the top here called How to Use Textual Evidence to Answer Questions to help guide you to answer the questions in the way that I'm looking for. So you will open up the document, you will work on answering these questions. The first, write an objective plot summary of Ghost in its entirety. So write about what happens in the story. You can use the somebody wanted but so then framework, but give more than just one sentence. And then answer each of these questions. In the other video, I have already gone through answering this question, so I'm not going to do that again. But once you have answered the questions, I want for you to go to the ongoing assessment. The ongoing assessment is also accessible on Classroom. And I want you to review what it is that you were supposed to be doing. Some of it, one thing is to use textual evidence to support your analysis of what the text says explicitly. And another is to draw inferences about the meaning of the text and use textual evidence to support your analysis. So I'm going to start with this one, let's say, because I just answered question 5 about what do these revelations mean for Ghost. And so I'm going to put in the date, today's date, which for you will be 10/2. And I'm going to say I should get, let's say, 95% on it because I used text evidence, but I could have worded it better. Okay, and then my evidence. So instead of doing a link, because I don't want this to be linking to the same document, I'm going to go back to my answer here and I'm going to, I have this zoomed in, so it's going to highlight this and copy, and I'm going to paste it right in here. And this is my example for me drawing inferences about the meaning of the text and using textual evidence to support my analysis. So I'm going to do the same for each of these. So I have written an objective summary. I might copy and paste that in there. I've determined a theme. For this one, use textual evidence to support your analysis of what the text says explicitly. I might go back to the ghost questions for chapters 1 through 3 and use my answer about him wanting to play basketball initially. It's up to you. So when you get down to the prepare for discussions and draw on that preparation and the pose questions, that will happen tomorrow on Tuesday when we have our discussion. So you're going to spend the majority of your time on this ghost questions for chapters 4 through 10. When you finish that, you're going to put the information onto this document that is your self-assessment, and you're going to tell me how well you think you did. Does this answer, is this a good answer? Is this using textual evidence to support support my analysis? So once you, if you don't finish these questions in class today, please finish them tonight for homework, as tomorrow we will be spending the class period having a discussion based around these questions. So please do come prepared for the discussion as noted here. Come prepared for the discussion, and we will talk about that tomorrow. So if you don't finish ghost questions, finish them for homework. And I will see you all tomorrow. Have a good day.